1965 Chrysler 300L. Beautiful car. Finished in silver. Did a few years ago. Shows beautiful. It's a gentleman's muscle car of the day. Got a 413, 390 horse. 88 Beautiful leather interior. Comes with receipts dating back to the 80s. I think this car is a 3-owner car. Gorgeous side skirts too. Very special. Dual quads were installed at the dealership. Original to me. Original seatbelts. Pretty. My customer drove from Ozone Park out here. Probably 50 miles. And today it's 90 degrees. Showing 39,000 miles. He purchased it a couple of years ago. Speedometer is broken, but you can tell that it has very low miles. AM radio, power antenna. And look how neat these vents are. So cool. Center console with the RPM gauge. So pretty. You just don't see them like this. Day-night mirror. It's riddled with chrome too. I got a 300 SRT8. Absolutely love that car. Keys. Super solid trunk. Jack back here. Antenna does not work. It the AM radio. Comes with the car. 413, 390 horse, leather, power seats, air conditioning, tilt wheel, visible side mirror, AM radio, antenna, and dual quads installed at the dealership. Yeah, good. Trunk light works. Such a pretty car. Super nice. Back 500 drafted red lines. Great too. This headlight is brand new NOS M1 front. Got a double latch, so it opens here. Here she is. Well, yeah, it's not well, but the old style frame. I'm sure that could be easily converted. think their power estimate is probably a little underrated. Very special car. Never seen one of these. You got a power seat on this side too. Still works. Her shifter. It's great. And we have original owner's manuals, warranty information. Cool. Comes in the original package. Here, right? Man, it's so pretty. Well, it's beautiful. Like I said, it's got about 1,000 miles on the motor. That's really nice. Beautiful body fitment too on this car. Just as nice underneath too. Good for a quick ride. Man, look at that dash, so pretty. Looks like all the gauges work too. Man, it is hot here today too. It's like 90 degrees. That's really nice. I hear the blinkers ticking. Yeah, what a special car.